here's how to see seller messages on Amazon. So if you've been messaging a seller about something, their messages are going to show up in your message center. I left a link in the description that's a shortcut that will take you straight there, or you can navigate to your account settings and then you should see a little bubble. These might move around, but it says your messages. And once you're inside of here, there's another tab that says buyer and seller messages. And inside of here will be any messages that you've sent or received from a seller here on Amazon. Basically, sometimes you have to message a seller. Like in the past, I've had to message a seller, not on this account, but a different one, about, a product that I purchased from a third-party seller that wasn't just straight from Amazon. So, I was trying to get, I think, a refund or a replacement because it was broken, and had to go through and message back and forth. And it's hard to find that unless you know where it's at. And this is where it's at. And once again, there's a link in the description. It's a shortcut to this page. That's how you can find or view seller messages on Amazon.